Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Universe Samm. In this video we will discuss about how to get the host control in your Google Meet. In Google Meet, whoever joins first becomes the host of the meeting. Okay, so first of all, open your Google Meet and new meeting and start an instant meeting. Joining and it's loading. Okay, so your meeting is ready now. Now on the bottom right side, click on Host Management. You will notice that Host Management and Quick Access are on by default. Turn off the Quick Access. Once it's turned off, the host must join first. Only people invited by the host can join without asking. Everyone else must ask to join, including the people who dial in. And only the host can dial out of a meeting. So once it's turned off, you get the whole control of your host control. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have any comments or questions, please write down in the comments below. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Take care.